This afternoon, I'm going to cook.
What are you going to prepare?
I saw some dumplings wrappers in the fridge. I'm going to make wonton dumplings.
Really?
It's super easy. Come on, let's get started. Start by making the stuffing. Peel 1 clove of garlic. Chop the chicken pieces with the garlic. Put them in a mixing bowl. Season with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Mince half a leek. Also add it to the stuffing. Mix again. Chop 1 green onion. Keep aside. Now prepare the dipping sauce. It's delicious and super easy to make. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now make the dumplings. Take a wrapper. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing. Humidify half the edges. Fold in 2. Press to remove the air. Give it a half turn. Humidify a small part of one side of the triangle and bring the other side over to glue it. The dumpling is done. For the cooking, ask an adult for help. Gently put all the dumplings in a pot of boiling water, about 3 liters. Stir a little so they don't stick to the bottom. Cook over medium heat without a lid until the water starts to boil again. At this point, add 25 centiliters of cold water to bring the temperature down. It allows the stuffing to be well cooked without softening the wrapper. When the water boils again, take them out and drain them. Put the wontons in a large bowl and sprinkle them with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Gently mix. Also sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and the green onion. And now everything is ready. Bon appétit! I am so happy to have prepared this delicious dish to share. You can try it too. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.
Attends. J'arrive pas à en faire un seul.